You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases, originally from Latin. There's going to be two different pronunciations, a more Latin pronunciation and how it's usually pronounced in English. If you want to learn more Latin expressions, I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. The Latin pronunciation: tempus, tempus fugit, tempus fugit. In English, however, the common and correct pronunciation also in English is as tempus fugit, tempus fugit, meaning time flies. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.